Setting up your Spectrum modem and router is now easier than ever. Here's what you need: a Spectrum internet plan, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, power cords, and a smartphone or computer. First, unpack your equipment and check for any damage. Connect the coaxial cable from the wall to the modem's RF port. Then connect the Ethernet cable from the modem to your router's WAN port. Plug in both devices and power them on. Wait a few minutes for the LED lights to stabilize. With Spectrum's pre-configured devices, this process is designed to be plug-and-play, minimizing technical expertise. As of late 2025, over 80% of Spectrum customers are opting for self-installation. Once your devices are connected, activation is key. Use the My Spectrum app version 25.4, which features AI-assisted setup, or visit Spectrum's website. Follow the prompts to create your Wi-Fi name and password. Finally, test your internet connection. For optimal performance, position your modem and router centrally, away from interference. If you have a high-speed plan over 500 Mbps, ensure you're using a gigabit router to avoid bottlenecks. Spectrum's app also includes signal strength tools. Tech analysts like Sarah Perez at Forrester note that Spectrum's app-based setup makes broadband access easier, comparable to setting up a smart TV. Self-installations account for 85% of Spectrum activations, with an average setup time under 15 minutes.